Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are making a Christmas card that is going to be kind of watercolor, and then we're going to add some dimension to it. It is for the monthly rediscovery hop over on Instagram, and as you may or may not know, I have decided to create videos for every single card that I make. So we are masking off a tree shape on our piece of watercolor cardstock, and we're using the Electro Pop inks from Gina K. I've had them for quite a while. And we're using finger daubers. I think the colors are Screamin' Green and I don't remember. I paused on it, so I don't remember what the color was. The red. Oh, Raging Red. There we go. Raging Red. Sorry. It's late. My brain is dead. So we're using the finger daubers and we're randomly just making the colors go in there. And I'm realizing right now that I should have put more green, so I'm kind of adding some green in there. And we're just kind of randomly going, so it kind of looks like a Christmas tree with some ornaments, but it's kind of supposed to look a little abstract too. So this is a fun card. I saw it on social media, and I thought it could be really fun for little hands as well, because my littles, they have paint daubers, like the kind you use in kindergarten. We have a box of those. So I bet you that they would love doing that. And then we're going to do the reveal here after it had some time to dry. I did spritz the ink with some water from my little spritzer, and I left it there taped down for a while to see how it would dry, hopefully not too warpy. And I knew I was going to trim the panel down after I was done with it, because I want it to be 4 by 5 1/4, so it will leave a little matte space on the A2 size card. And I also know that I want to stamp a sentiment there on the bottom. I'm thinking Merry Christmas, so I hope I have something kind of scripty in my stash that will do the trick. But first, I don't know why I did this first, we are going to put the Nuvo drops on. I should have stamped the sentiment first before I did all this, but, you know, what's done is done. So we're going to put some gold ones on the tree so it looks like ornaments. And then after we do some of these, we're also going to put some of the gold on the very top of the tree to look like a blobby star. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. This is called mustard gold. I'm not sure why it's called mustard gold, but I think it's beautiful when it dries. It looks kind of funky now, but when it dries, it's great. I always do make sure that I do 2 things when I use the Nuvo drops. I make sure I warm them up by putting them in my armpit for a little while. And then I also make sure that I test them on a scrap piece of cardstock before I start to see how they're coming out. Like if they're coming out really clean or if they need a little extra effort. Because after you're done with your project, you don't want to make a bloppy, gross mess on your project. So this is supposed to look like snow. I don't know if it looks like snow or not, but I thought it was cute. So once it's dry, I'm going to stamp Merry Christmas on there. This is a very, very old Stampin' Up! Stamp that I took off of a wooden block. And I think it's beautiful for a card like this because it is scripty and super fancy looking. So we're going to stamp it on with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, which is my absolute favorite for sentiments because it comes so crisp and clean. We are going to reveal it, and it's beautiful. All right, now to decide what color card base to put this on. I knew going into it that I did not want to do a white card base because the panel is white, so I think red's a good color. And we're just going to use some liquid adhesive. And this is art glitter glue. I feel like I've had this bottle of art glitter glue for like a million bajillion years and it's still not empty. All right, so now we're going to weigh this down with some stamp blocks. And then you will get to see the finished product. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this card. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, here's the obligatory shot of Kitty Cat. We love our Sonic here. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.